Question here is find the discount and discount percentage when its marked price is 780 and selling price is 721.5. So marked price is given to you here. The selling price is also given. Okay. And you have to find out the mark price and you have to find out the discount and the discount percentage. Okay. So let's first find out the discount. You know that selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. From the above relation, I told you to remember, right? So that means if you want to find out discounts, you can just put it here. Selling price is 721.5. Mark price is 780 minus discount. That means discount is 780 minus 721.5 is equal to 58.5. So this is the discount. Okay. Any question here with the discount?
No, sir.
Now we want to calculate the discount percentage. Now discount percentage formula here is, if you want to calculate the discount percentage is discount divided by mark price into 100. Discount is always calculated on the mark price. Remember this sentence. Discount is always calculated as a percentage of the mark price. Just as I told you to remember that profit or loss percentage is always calculated on the cost price. Similarly here, just remember this sentence. Discount is always calculated on the mark price. So now once we know that discount is calculated on the mark price, therefore discount percentage discount, let's write percentage discount is equal to discount by mark price into 100. Let us put the values. Discount here is 58.5. Mark price here is 780 into 100. Okay. So now we simplify this. What you do here is you can shift one decimal. Write this as 7800
So 585.
into 100. So these two zeros will cancel. Okay. And you can cancel with
So it's 10.
no, because you have a 58.5 here. Okay. That is why I've shifted one decimal, added a zero, or let's not write this zero. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I have to cancel two zeros. So now you can cancel with 3 to start with. Hmm, 3138. 195. So I think this will cancel with 13. This will cancel with should cancel. No, it will not cancel. It will not cancel. So keep it at 26. 78 we have cancelled with 3. 26 times, and 585 cancels 195 times. Okay. It does not seem that it will cancel any further. So you divide 195 by 26. How much do you get?
Sir, 7.8.
Yes, 7.8. So 7, you can write 7.8%, or 74 by 5 also you can write as a mixed fraction. Okay. So here I think there's some mistake here. I ignored the decimal here. So that is why I could not get 7.8%. This is answer should actually be 7.8%. Okay. But this is how you calculate the discount. Now comes a very important formula. If the discount percentage is given and if the price is given, then how do you calculate the selling price? This is a very important formula. Okay. Now I'll see in this next example, I'll show you two ways. Okay. First, I will calculate, first I will do the normal way and then I will do from this formula. Okay. This formula is very useful. Now, if you see this formula, what does it look like? This formula in terms of percentage. In terms of percentage, it looks like the formula where a quantity was being decreased by X%, right? So if you see here, mark price is being decreased by how much percent? D% to get the selling price. Okay. That is what it looks like. So we'll do without formula first and then we'll do with formula. And in fact, without formula, we are getting the formula from that only. So let's see this. Method 1. Question is, find the selling price of an article whose advertised price is 28,500 and the shopkeeper gives a discount of 14%. Advertised price means mark price is given to you as 28,500. And the shopkeeper is giving a discount of how much? Let's say D% is given to be 14%. You have to calculate the selling price. Okay. Now you can first calculate the discount. Say D. Is equal to, if you remember the formula for discount percentage divided by mark price into 100. So how much discount is, how much reduction is the shopkeeper giving? 14 by 28,500, or 14 by 100 into mark price, sorry. This is 14 by 100 into mark price. 14 by 100 into 28,500, right? Okay. 285 into 14, how much will it come to? Can you tell me very quickly this one? Can anyone tell me 285 into 14, the product, very fast?
Sir,
So
3,990.
3,990.
How much?
3,990.
Okay, 3,990. Okay, this is the reduction in price that the shopkeeper is giving. Okay, now I can calculate the selling price. Selling price we know is mark price minus discount. Mark price is 28,500 minus the discount 3,990, which is equal to rupees 24,510. Okay, this was method 1. In this method, if you see, I have first calculated the discount and then the selling price. In the second method, if I use this formula directly, this is actually not a formula. You will be using this your entire life. If you are dealing in everyday life, you will be dealing with this. Okay. So mark price is 28,500. Percentage discount is equal to 14%. Directly, if I don't want to calculate this part if I don't want to omit, then directly I can calculate the selling price by 1 minus d percent by 100 into mark price. Okay, so 1 minus 14 by 100 into 28,500. Okay, so now you can calculate from here, cancel this. So you get, take the LCM, 50 minus 7, 28,500, which is equal to 43 by 50 into 28,500. Now you can cancel once again. 5 will cancel. 570 times. So again, you'll get a 24,510. And that is the selling price. See that I have, without even calculating the discount, I have calculated the selling price directly here. Here I first calculated the discount, then I calculated the selling price. Okay. That is the
Sir,
advantage. Normally in everyday, yes, tell me. Tell me.
sir, yesterday you have done the profit and loss assignment number 2. So you have
Hmm.
told the equation and you told that if we solve that, we
Hmm.
will get 102. But sir, we are not getting 102. We're getting 206.3.
Okay, I'll see that next week. Okay, I'll see that problem next week. I'll just go over that problem next week. Taha, you were also asking, no, about some
Yes, sir.
equation.
Ask this question only. Yes, sir.
Same question. Okay, I'll go over that question next
Yes,
week.
sir.
Okay. Um, so this is all about this. Okay, now in normally, everyday life, how I calculate discounts. I use this formula, but not consciously. It has now become very unconscious. Now it has become a part of me. So if you see here, 28,500 and discount. Every day in my mind, if I come across this problem, 28,500, what I do is I multiply 28,500 by 0.14. Okay. Or not, sorry, not 0.14. It is 14% discount. So what I do is 28,500, I multiply this by 0.86 to directly get 24,510. That is what goes in my mind. Okay. So if I see a shop where they are giving 14% discount, and if I see the mark price to be 28,500, then immediately I will calculate this to be 24,510 by using this. You know what
So
is
we
this?
have converted 14% into rational number.
What is this 0.86? This is this part. Understood? 0.86 is this part. Because if you see 1 minus 14 by 100 is can also be written as 1 minus 0.14, and 1 minus 0.14 is 0.86. Understood? So even if you haven't, remember
Yes,
the
sir.
formula for the time being until you have enough practice so that later on you can use it mentally also. Okay. Let us do one last problem here, and then we can continue next week. A shopkeeper marks his goods at such a price that would give him a profit of 10%. After allowing a discount of 12%, if an article is marked at 22,500 and 2,250, find selling price, cost price. Okay. So a shopkeeper marks his goods at such a price that would give him 10% profits. Okay. So the price tag that he gives is such that would give him 10% profit overall after allowing a discount of 12%. That means after allowing 12% discount on the mark price, he can still make a profit of 10%. Okay. if an article is marked at 2250, so here mark price is given to be 2250. Okay, and how much is the discount given? Discount percentage 12%. Okay, so what can we calculate if the discount percentage and mark price is given? What can we calculate? We can calculate the selling price from here, right? So calculate the selling price. Now you can cancel this with 4. So this is 25 minus 3 is 22 divided by 25 into 2250. Now this will cancel 90 times. Okay, so you get rupees. If you multiply 22 and into 90, you will get 1980. Now this is the selling price. That means now how much is the customer paying him? 1980 rupees. Now the customer is paying him 9,990. So this is the selling price. So that means we have found out the first uh, one. Okay, that means this part is done. We have found out the selling price. Now we want to find the cost price. For cost price, what do we know? We know the selling price. This is the selling price we have found out. Selling price, how much have we found out? 1980. And by selling at this price, how much profit is he making? He is making a profit of 10%. So P% is given to be as 10%. When you know the profit percentage and when you know the selling price, how do you find out the cost price? You assume the cost price to be X. So let the cost price of the article be X. Therefore, what is the selling price? 1 plus formula 1 plus 10 by 100 into X, which is equal to, now 1 0 will cancel here. You will get simply 1 plus 1 by 10 into X. Now you can take the LCM. We should get as 11x by 10. According to the problem, 11x by 10. What is the selling price here? 1990, 980, right? That's how you calculate the cost price. If you remember when I was discussing profit and loss. Now you can find out X by solving this equation. 11x is equal to 1980 into 10. That means X is equal to 1980 into 10 divided by 11, which now you can cancel 180 times to get 1800 as your cost price. Any question?
No, sir.
So this problem, if you see, is a mixture of profit percentage, cost price, discounts. Okay, such problems are very important. Such problems are the ones that you can expect in your examination. Okay, do we have time for the next one? Yes, I think 5 minutes are there, so we can do the next one also. Let's finish this one also. Okay, a shopkeeper buys a dinner set for rupees 1200. If shopkeeper means he's buying for what? He's buying to sell only. That means his cost price is how much? 1200 rupees. And marks it 80% above the cost price. That means what he does is that whatever was his cost price, he increases the cost price by 80%, and that is the label that he puts on the dinner set. Okay, that is his mark price. So what should be the mark price? So mark price, he increases the cost price by 80%, right? So how do you increase a certain quantity by X%? 1 plus X by 100 into 1200, isn't it? So increasing the cost price by 80%, and this is the mark price. So this is cancel with 2. So you get 1 plus 4 by 5 into 1200. I take the LCM.
$1,160.
How much? No, why am I getting this? It is 9 by 4. 9 by 5. Okay, this is 400. This will 1200. This is not 100. This is 1200. So it will cancel 240 times. So you'll get rupees 2160. So this is his mark price. Okay, he just increased the cost price by 80% and gave it a label. That was, so you have calculated the mark price. Next question is find his selling price. Now in selling price, so what should be given? You know the cost price. What should be given to find out the selling price? Either profit or loss percentage must be given, right? Or the discount must be given if we are considering market price. If you see the next statement, if we give 15% discount on it, discount on what? On the market price. Then find the selling price. So what should be the selling price? 1 minus discount percent by 100 into market price. Put the value. 1 minus discount percent is 15 divided by 100 into market price we have found out to be 2160. So that's it. So 1 minus 3 by 20 into 2160. Now you take the LCM. 20 minus 3 into 2160. So get 17 by 20 into 2160. You can cancel this and then cancel this 108 times. So 108 into 17 you can multiply to get
1,836.
1836. Okay, so this is the selling price. Third question. Find his profit percentage. Profit percentage for profit percentage. What do you need first? You need the profit first, right? So what is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. How much is the selling price? This one. How much is the cost price? 1200 rupees. So how much profit is he making? 636 rupees. Therefore, percentage profit is P by CP into 100. Profit is 636. Cost price just above you have 1200 rupees into 100. 2 zeros will cancel here.
So 53%.
Now you can cancel this with 53. So you'll get 53%. Or you can cancel with 3 and then you can cancel further to get 53. Okay. Fine. So I'll stop here then.